Good day, AP Biology students. Today is May 15th, 2020. Hard to believe we're almost at the end of the school year already. Just want to remind you this Monday, May 18th, is your AP exam for biology. This is the one from College Board, the one you signed up for and paid for. Make sure that you're aware of all the procedures that are involved in being able to get into the exam itself. And one of those things you need to keep in mind, just especially because it's unique to this year, is that without having your e-ticket this year, you can't get into your exam. So make sure you log into the email address associated with your College Board so that you can find your e-ticket. I'll have a screenshot of what those e-tickets look like and post it up on Google Classroom so you're aware. College Board's going to send you your e-ticket 2 days via email before the exam, and you're going to need this to be able to check into the exam. Make sure that when you go to log into the exam that you know what time your exam is. For this one, it's 11 a.m. Pacific time, May 18th. Now for us, I believe 11 a.m. Pacific time is the same as here in Arizona time. Just double check with time to make sure you're aware of that. Also make sure the day of your exam that you log in 30 minutes before the start of the exam. You need to get in 30 minutes early. Please don't wait to the last minute. All right? One more thing I just want to mention before I close out today. Please be reviewing what College Board has as far as information. Review any of the guides that I posted on Google Classroom. Remember, there was those helpful documents, like 12 different Microsoft Word documents, as well as the AP test questions. Also, go to AP's YouTube page and review the basic information on the exam for this year, as well as specific to the content of AP Biology. If you have any questions, you can leave it in the comments below. Reach out to me via email. I wish you all have a nice day. Take care, students.